Hi everyone, this is Tammy at Snowstorm Crafts, and if you're new here, welcome, and if you've been here before, welcome back. So this is my sunflower journal cover that we've been working on, and I have a playlist for it, so if you haven't seen it from the beginning, I will put it up in the right hand corner for you, so you guys can come check it out and get caught up with us. And yeah, so far I think it's turned out really cool. We've done some slow stitching and pretty much got the cover done. And now today I want to add the cover to a paper bag. So yeah, I think it will be a super fun video, and I'll show you guys how I'm gonna add it to the paper bag. And then I want to paint the inside of the paper bag. So just some acrylics I got here. I got some brown, I got some golds, I got burnt umber, and I might not use all of them, but I just kind of got some colors out that I think would match nice, like the yellow oxide and the, I think this is sienna. Yeah, raw sienna. Okay, and then I just have a little paint palette, paintbrush, water, and then we're gonna use some regular gel matte medium to glue the bag down to the cover here. So we'll use that to get it all glued on here. And yeah, so what I want to do is size this to it, and then I'm gonna go and just sew all the way around it, and just to make it so the flaps aren't open and stuff like that. But I do want to make a little pocket here, and I'm not sure about the end of the bag yet, if I want to leave an opening there. I don't know. I haven't decided that part yet. Okay, so let's get started here. I want to go ahead and just fold the bag so it's lined up like that. So I hope you guys are having a crafty day today and getting out all your craft supplies and seeing what we can do here. Seeing what we can make. And I'm cool if it's not perfect, because I think that gives it a little character. Okay. Oh, and then I also have my Fabrifix glue, which I'll use to glue down some stuff. And depending, I want to use this to glue it down, but I don't know how much I want to use of this. I might have some of this for around the edges and stuff, just to kind of seal the edges and just secure it down. So we'll just go from there, see what works. See what we can do. Okay. So now I want to size it up here. And I don't mind the bottom hanging a little bit like that. So I'm just doing maybe like a 1/4 inch in and letting the fabric hang off the edges here. Just a little bit. Okay. All right. And then I'm going to go ahead and mark it. I'm sure you guys can see. So I'm going to do it about the same as here, so about a 1/4 inch or so. Just like that. Just lining it here. And that's pretty much what we're looking for. Okay, so I decided before I sew it, I want to paint it. Because I don't want to get paint on the threads. So once it dries, I'll go ahead and sew around it. And I want to be able to get up under here just to have it painted and stuff. So I'm going to use all the colors I was talking about. And just do some fun painting here. Now, if you want to cover up words and stuff like that, it's not a bad idea to do some gesso. And get that on there. Just on the parts where you want to cover up some stuff. And that just helps with like just a coat, just a base underneath. So it just helps cover up some words and things like that. Okay. And I have like gesso and the gel matte. Those I have in the Amazon links below if you guys want to come check them out. yeah. So I'm just pretty much, I just want to cover it all and just do some mixture of paints and stuff. I'm not really too particular about it. I think it'd be kind of fun to do a little mixture of them. So I'm going to go ahead and keep doing that, and I'm just going to paint all the way around it. Okay, so I got it painted here. I just went ahead and did the brown, and then I want to use some of the other fun colors to do some stenciling. And this is a set of 10 6x6s, and I got these on Amazon, and they're really cool, just background stencils that you can use. And the link will be down below. You can come check it out. But let's see. So you can do all kinds of different things for the background. I think it would be kind of fun to do the wood. I think that would look really cool. And then maybe some of that. So I don't know. Let's just play around here. And these are really fun to use. So let's see. Okay. So we got these. We got this one. And I did a die cut for my Cricut. And I did some just some little sunflowers. So I don't know where I'm going to use these, but we'll see. And also I went through with my Fabrifix glue and just made sure to get the pieces that need to be glued down that are just sticking up. Okay. So just go through and just make sure you glue down all the pieces that you want glued down. All right. And what I have is a stencil brush. It just has a flat, it's rounded with a flat top. And that makes it really nice here. And let's see. Let's start with the wood here. Okay. So I'm just putting it down, and let's go ahead and do dark. A little darker one out of these here. And I just kind of tap it like that. And I'm going to move this over on this side so I can get to it. And I'm just going to kind of do a mishmash of colors here that I have. Maybe even throw a little gold in there. And I'm just going to continue going and just tapping these on here and just doing different, just kind of throwing in a different color there. And doing maybe this one. Like that. Okay, so I'm right at the end of it here. And let's see how that turned out. Well, that's pretty cool. It kind of ran a little bit right there. It's nice to keep a Q-tip or something here. So I have some craft, this is some craft paper I have underneath. And I like to use it to have it to do projects with, to make some painting paper. So it's nice to go ahead and you can just get your extra excess paint off your stencils and do a little stamping. But what I was talking about is you can take a Q-tip and go like that, just to get the smudges like that. So that helps. Let's see how this turned out. I'll see, that's fun. All right. So I think that turned out really cool. I think I just want to kind of keep doing this one. I like the look of it, and maybe we'll do something different here. So that won't show under there, but I'm going to go ahead and start here and do the same thing going across. Okay, so I was thinking about doing this one here on the side, but I think I like that. I think that would look really cool. And I'm gonna just stick with the same colors here. So I'm just dipping it in my paint and then just kind of tapping it so it's not a massive amount of paint on it, so it doesn't ooze like it did over here on the sides. So I think that's a better technique here. And I'm just gonna do a tap. And then throw a little gold in there. I'm really liking the gold throughout. I think that's turning out really cool. So just keep in mind, just don't have a lot of paint on your paintbrush. It's nice to go ahead and blot it. So this is just a fun way to decorate a paper bag. I mean, look at that. That turned out so cool. You guys can see that. That is really neat. I'm liking that. Okay. Let's see. So I just cut this out. I told you guys for my Cricut, and I just did it on manila envelope that I avocado dyed. So it's just a nice little sturdy thing to use. Okay, let's see. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest and do the same thing, doing it on here. All right, so I got this far. Went ahead and got it all stenciled, which I think it turned out really cool. Look at that. So I think that turned out great. I love the gold. Okay, and then I sewed around. Got a little pocket here, just a little tuck. It only goes to like here. It's just the end of the bag. So I thought it'd be fun to do that. All right, and I'm gonna fold it in half. Okay. And it's got a really cool feel to it when you paint it. I love it. Okay, so I'm just trying to get the middle here and just see where we're at. Okay. So I'll put this down like that. And then I'm just gonna get it glued down. Close it. Yeah, if you guys gotta do this, you gotta paint a paper bag because it feels really cool. Okay, and then you can see things popping up here, so just anything you gotta glue down, just go through and get it glued. Okay. And I'm gonna do my gel matte medium here. Go. And then you can either go through with your, do some extra gluing down. I like to take a little Fabrifix too and do the edges and get all around it. So whatever glue that you want to put it down and just get it how you want it. And of course, just let it dry. Let's get it folded. We want it to close. I am loving it. I think this is turning out so cool. All right, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. and found it informational. And yeah, there we go. I think I got it where I want it. And if you could, please subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, and you guys can see my next video when I post it. Like, comment, and share, and let's grow together. And keep on crafting.